morning, everyone. It's that time of the day again, sunrise time. So we're having a group meetup out at Lion Island on the Central Coast. It is super duper foggy, so I'm going to grab a quick coffee and meet you all out there at sunrise, Central Coast, New South Wales. Catch up.
Location. A little bit rough, won't be able to bring the bus down here. Well, I will, but I don't think it'll fit. Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed that video, guys. So the hardest thing I find to getting up every morning is fighting those doldrums. If you're not 100% or if it's 5 degrees outside and it's freezing, you've just got to push through. I know I keep saying get up, get out of bed and live your life, but sometimes depression or things at work could have set you off and you just don't feel like getting up. But when you're fighting that, the second you roll out of bed and think, today I'm just going to get up, get dressed, you're a winner, you've won, you've fought that battle where you just want to stay in bed and sleep the world away. Get up, get outside, your life will change. So the more you find you get into that routine, it's easier. Like our group now is a few hundred people strong and it grows every weekend. And there's nothing like starting a long weekend with a sunrise, with fog, with mates, kick-ass day. Brilliant. So if you've got anything else you want to film, tell us. We're getting a bit over this coastal stuff, so we might head inland, chase down some old barns, windmills, big temples, Baja Temple or something like that. We just want to video something unique for you guys, so give us some feedback. If you know of any mad country looking stuff or weird structures, drop us a message down below and we'll try to film it this weekend for you guys. Check this out, like, yeah, how nice is that? Sunrise on the Central Coast. Alright guys, like I say, get your fat asses out of bed and live life. Woo!